Alabama Bear Air Gunner back with you again. Today is January 17th, Saturday, 2026. I'm giving it another try. Today I'm in a different location, sitting in somebody's blind, a buddy of mine, and I'm going to give this a try. Today I have the old Killer Instinct Swat X1. A lot of turkeys this morning. I walked in, I think I bumped at least 24 turkeys. If it was turkey season, I'd probably bump 24 deer. But wish me luck. I have the old Tacticam on my crossbow. I'm gonna take footage if I do get one. My wife's at a different location. Hopefully she'll tag out today. She has taken a 6-point and a 9-point so far. I've taken nothing. That's just my luck. Well, everybody have a good one out there. Keep the lead flying, and today, keep them arrows flying. I'm out.